back, broskies. Hey, we got the 460 to fire, but now we really want to get it to run. Why is it not running? Because we didn't have a fuel pump. So this motor never had a mechanical fuel pump. What's a mechanical fuel pump, you say? It's one that doesn't need electricity. It just goes in and it rides right off the cam. And that's what it needs for now. You see that wrench? See that socket? See that plate right there? That's where the mechanical fuel pump goes. But this is where they had it blocked off with that plate because they had a fuel pump in the gas tank and they weren't using that. We did have a few other issues. We had oil coming out of the back of the motor. And then we were missing 2 freeze-out plugs in the back that were responsible for vacuum. So I plugged them up. And I plugged them in. And remember, if you don't want your motor in a casket, you better use Ultra Black gasket. And today I'm gonna ride the ponies out of this puppy. Do you remember what I was talking about doing the drive shaft? It's aluminum, right? I was gonna drive all the way to Medford. Guess who showed up and said he can handle it? Jacob, my man.
Hello, hello.
So you could weld aluminum.
Absolutely.
Oh man.
Especially a drive shaft.
Guess what? Do we have an aluminum for you to weld?
Perfect.
Look at this. And check it out, it's already dented. So
All
maybe
right.
we could cut off of this side. What do you think? Probably about 12 inches. We'll hit it with a ruler.
Do that.
We'll figure out what we got to cut off, and we'll move everything in, and then we're probably going to get a basket joint and hook it up, and we're going to have us a drive shaft, broskies. You the man.
That'll work.
I'm telling you, I thought we were going to have to drive all the way to Medford. He's a welder. He's going to check out my booger welds and make sure we don't die in this thing. Was fun, but look, I'm soaking wet with oil. So whatever's coming out of here, I think it's coming out of the transmission. It looks like it's coming out of the transmission. So that's all old tranny fluid that's in there. It's not even really that red. What we're gonna have to do, well, it is kind of red. It's red, it's red. What we're gonna have to do is make sure we plug that off next time we start it. But she's running. Oh, guess what? I wanna say, we're still 1 tooth out. Look, I got it advanced all the way as far as it could go. So this time, instead of pulling the thing out, moving it a tooth, what I'm gonna do is just move all the wires one time around. And then we'll be perfect. But that gave it enough. So it was 2 teeth out yesterday and it still ran. So this is gonna be nice. Wait till it gets one. Just wait until we get it right. She's gonna scream. All right, broskies, let's give it one more try. We moved all the wires once. That's like moving it over a tooth. Yeah! Wow! That's what I'm talking about, broskies. Is that beautiful or what? Now that's what I'm talking about. They took a few minutes, but we got it. But if you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure you get over to YouTube, subscribe, hit the little bell. Every time we put something up, you'll get a notification. And don't forget, get off the couch, get out in the garage, get something fixed. And if you don't have a project, get one.